I have created a playlist that covers everything you need to set up your Shopify store in just 5 minutes, and I guarantee after watching that you don't need to look anywhere else. You will find the link of the playlist in the description. And in this video I will guide you step by step how you can set up your account. When you go through the link in the description, you will get a special offer in which you get 3 days free trial, and after that it's just $1 for first month. If you go directly to the Shopify website, this deal won't show up. And remember, this offer varies from country to country. So after clicking on the link, you will land to this page. Then here enter your email address in the field provided and click start free trial. Next, you will be asked to create a password. Then Shopify will ask some basic questions like what you plan to sell and whether you have started selling online before. Answer them if you can or skip ahead. They are not mandatory. Once you are done, you will land on the Shopify dashboard. This is your store's control center, where you will customize your site, add products, and manage orders. And that's it. You have successfully created your Shopify account in just a few minutes. It's simple, right? You have taken the first step toward building your online store, and now you are ready for the next part. In the next video, I will show you how to use the Shopify dashboard and select a perfect theme that fits your brand perfectly.